Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Google Chrome automatic closes after opening in Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Chrome browser closes automatically on your Android, then I will show you a simple method to resolve this issue. First of all, you need to tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on the apps, just tap on see all apps. Here you need to find Chrome, just tap on the search button and type here Chrome. You can see here Chrome, just tap on that. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. After that you can see here storage and cache, just tap on this. Once tap on clear cache, after that just tap on clear storage, tap on clear all data. Before tapping OK, you have to make sure that you have read this one. All Chrome's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all file settings, accounts and database. After reading this carefully, just tap on OK. After that, then go back, open your Play Store, then search here Chrome. If your Chrome browser is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, once you need to restart your mobile. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your Chrome browser closes automatically in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.